What's my fellow cooks? It's the on Twitter and YouTube and Snapchat. Sorry about another night video, guys. But I've been doing stuff all weekend, and we should be good to go for tomorrow, though. We should. And fuck! I thought there was a car coming my way, but it was a car, but it was not coming my way. You know, shoo! Almost died. But anyway, I'm watering that lady's plants again. What about the bird? Holy crap, my mouth is green. Look at that little uvula. But anyway, I had to give you guys a video today. I had to, just like I have to every day, because I love you guys. Y'all's is awesome. I loves my wild cooks. Cook-a-doodle-doo. And I have no idea if I forgot any more questions yesterday, so I'm not gonna answer any more for right now. Someone used the hose and did not turn the thingy off. I ripped my pants today, by the way. Like a huge rip. Like a huge rip, huger than my booty rip. And I got some booty. B-double-O-T-Y. Yes, I saw that season. And, it Tone the Chief Rocker. It would have sounded better if it was Chief the Tone Rocker. Come here, little hoes. All the little hoes in the world must come to me. Wink, wink. Have to see the plot. Yes, all the little hoes in the world. Look at my eyes of brows. The beard is so white. If I do more night videos, guys, do you think I should wear the fedora in the night videos? I think I should, because it will look cool. Look like a fish. Alright, so yes, I'm sorry about another night video. I will leave a poll up for the whole thing about the fedora tonight. And, I don't know exactly what time I'm gonna film tomorrow, so I will set the poll to end around noon, so I can get the results early. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wild one.